taking the show to another new level. The man that just shut down a court on Sunday, 1 week anniversary of shutting down a court. Though he used some juju, but then, you know, easy say juju work for him. Ladies and gentlemen, make some noise for MC Edopikin. Whoa! That is James Brown, the man of Brown. James Brown. Bastard.
Say I suck a prick, idiot. I wish your prick big sharp or no say something in my mouth. Motherfucker. Bitch. The craze. You know the shame, you crack joke, you say that for school environment. Now the house there, then you call penis pelvic. That means you're in school and you're also an illiterate. Get away from here. Illiterate. Hello? Hello? Can you stop shouting? Wait, doctor. That's a native doctor. Doctor, wait, you yam chops you for outside. This guy big native doctor here, so. A native doctor. See the native now. No, doctor. That doctor needs a doctor to treat him. My sister, how are you? You just pack breast. You the British, so. If you're 4 now you want a picker. You just saw breast on top chest. Oh, wow, some people wicked for this life, oh. The guy where they clean his, I want my go piece. The man they piece, and the man piece finish. Then wrote toilet roll, give the man. The man clean and finish. Now the guy do like this. Now the man collect toilet roll from your pocket roll, give the guy. That be row. Hey, my brother, the worst thing that can happen to you as a man right now, now say you be Nigerian. The worst thing that can happen to you as a man right now, listen, now say you be Nigerian, you be Mayufa, you call they use Zenith Bank. See suicide. Stand up for 1 minute silence. Zenith Bank and now this Nigerian a rubbish country. That person no fit even guarantee trust for Zenith Bank. You dey use Zenith Bank, you never get access. No casino, no go school. Man, Nigeria a bastard country. This country is a every year don't dry, every year don't dry. Nobody, you know, as Nasida so Big Brother out Nigeria they go on. Nobody they watch them. Only Big Brother they watch Big Brother. Nobody they watch. Everybody leave Big Brother they watch Very Dark Man. Very Dark Man enter House of Assembly. If you see where parliamentarians they delete sex videos for their phone. Say the boys around delete. Mr. Ibrahim, have you deleted your? He said I can't find. He said wipe your phone. This life no balance. If they never keep 14 motivational speakers, now no go get sense. Motivational speakers, they go, hey, who be this? You know, to my sisters, I don't want to talk to them anyhow. For your belly, they push table. Beneath girls with big belly, they get belly. If they get belly, you don't know whether they get belly. They no get belly, they no get belly. Tomorrow get belly, tomorrow get belly. Now beneath girls be tomorrow. Now be my sister, I don't correct you. If they never keep 14 motivational speakers, I don't get sense. So which one be say, as country hard rich, you open your mouth, they say don't go where you are not invited. For better, with the kiss every car. Who bring this one? Yeah, you take. You work hard though. Make low cut, no, they give dreadlock, money can't give person. This your dreadlock, no get luck. Sure that this money, but no be waiting, I want to do something. It's not like give us two bundle. Are we living in bundles? Now what? See? This Nigeria don't worse. Nigeria don't bad. Motivational speaker say save money for rainy days. Okay, I know they save any money for rainy days. As I tell like this, if I make 100,000, I chop 99,000. I leave 1,000 for my family. Maintenance of king go die. Maintenance of king now bastard. I know they save any money for rainy days. As I they save money they save me. If rainy days come, I bath for inside. I'll bath, dance for inside. I know they save any stupid money for rainy days. Every year they say I save money so that you can acquire land and acquire property. Oh God, no, they acquire any land. Land cheap. Now you want to stay near people. See that dizzy. That dizzy. How far now? Now your guy be in the data. Small than dizzy. Small than rapper. Baba, you dey smoke oh. I think say na smoky fet they come up for this side. Baba. We see artist though. Guy finish full Bensi and Rotmas. They use cigar chop bones. Oh, but this country don't well. When I enjoy the chi. Things they go on. Baba, Tinubu, Nigeria na useless country. Country where president no trust in your own pikin. Tinubu na Zenith Bank they use now. As he want travel now off network, make sure you know withdraw your money. This country that beach is full of. Everybody, all of now they rule us for this. Because you guys are bitches, all of you bitches, local government chairman bitches. And they talk about bitches come. Hey bitches! Who be this? Hello! Sit down now. I didn't say they don't cure you. Sit down one place though. Sit down. Bitches everywhere. Local government chairman bitches. MC Casino you are a bitch. Where that DJ when they are bitch. Councilor bitch. Governor bitch. CEO you are a bitch. All of them are bitch. The president of this country, president. Oh, man, I don't president bitch. President doesn't have 2 weeks to destroy bitch. Hold on now, until they come. 2 days, that's the destroy landmark. Who come with me? Small trademark. Benin guys are very smart. I don't think our president Bijo. Benin people not the guy that matter the job go lost. Benin man they do DNA. Now let us say they do DNA. If Benin man want know who born the children, he go look for wife friend, the wife best friend. He go call the wife parents say Ashawo. You dey spend my wife. Why go say no you get your children? See result. They don't fall out. I don't see what they because EFCC, if you spray money, EFCC go arrest you. If you money, EFCC go arrest you. How do you Lagos, Abuja, company we spray money? We dey spray. Binipo dey spray money for burial. Then say EFCC go to arrest them. If you see money, wey people spray EFCC. They throw their jacket out of a superior shoot junior for leg. You want to play game and 2 pounds, 4 days, the FCC don't even go back. And the guy they call, they say, hello, where are you? So they can't evidence. You don't know this is answer for you. Bini know the carry answer. But you know where you want to go. Bini where you want to go. Those of us who want to go for. Those of us who want to go for the full Bini again. Yes, they are the one who for Iyama. They talk about Shawo the character. Lamendes. You don't see your face no good though. You make only win for bossing. If they do beauty pageant, if you use front for me, I use back, I will still win. So they talk good. I know where. So Lamendes got the crack joke, eh? You will listen to me. He said? Yes, because you are a product of truth and dead. How are you? You didn't follow that list. Tonight you will scatter your head tomorrow with visa. Hey, that's my leader. Are you the teachers now? You know this one, are you the come after me? If I'm not funny now, I can't go back to perfume. This is your perfume when you want spray and finish. Hey, I tell you, buy new joke. That's how they leave my leader. What you do me more than week. This Lagos wey we come so go funny, go put una for court. Una grab to pass us go beat it. We have invaded Lagos. I know they laugh, this is how they regret. Wait till you know what? Collect breakfast. Hey, chop dinner now. Let's collect breakfast. I need yeah, correct. So talking about Nigeria, this country is gone. Nothing is working. Nigeria got kidney problem. Nothing is working in this country again. Nigeria they make you feel say wetin dey right for Bible na the opposite of wetin dey happen for Nigeria. If I make you laugh, I must start intelligent joke wey you take go ask. That they know me for. So Nigeria dey say the opposite of wetin dey Bible dey happen for this country. For Bible they said God blessed the children of Israelites. The children of Israel became fruitful and prosperous. Now the prosperity of Israel, they become king. But for Nigeria, Israel they share drink for David wedding. Listen to me now, not to the laugh. Bible, listen to me, I'm coming. Come. Casino be this guy for this place. Yeah? Casino. Yeah? Management. I call the best past CEO. That man with his on the dress like for Nigeria, for Bible, they wrote that God fed the 5,000 people with 5 loaves of bread and 2 fish. But for Nigeria, 5,000 people they feed one pastor. For Bible, when issue day, Jesus will send Peter and Paul to go solve the issue. But for Nigeria, Peter they use EFCC to find Paul. For Bible, Peter was very possessive. You don't fit take anything away from Peter. If you want to take something, even when Peter, as fisherman, when Jesus called Peter, Peter still carry a fish, follow Jesus. He don't leave the fish, because if he leave the fish, something is fishing. So he went with Jesus. Even when person will kiss Jesus, when they take betray Jesus, Peter got the ear. Which means Peter have a possessive spirit. You know they let go. But for Nigeria, they think Peter mandate. He go court, they think before. Peter became so less busy that Peter went to back in Nigeria trying to settle Peter and Paul. Peter no say the solution to the problem of Peter and Paul is the book of Jude, the other brother. We are too good for this shit. Listen to me. Lagos carry the come bro so. Lagos girls again man. Now Lagos girls you do get to tell us say thank you, go say thank God. Listen to me. Life is easy when you have money. You know they tell you money is not everything. Money is everything. Money is the root of all evil. Poverty is evil forest. Make money, as you pray, make God give you money. Pray, make God give you money when you go feel use. This guy not get money, but you don't feel use. That's why they call a money changer, like changer for them. Oh, now, listen to me now. Make money. When you have money, you have command. See the video got married recently. The video married. Everybody called the video married. But all of us say for traditional marriage, now you must go in your place. When you have married marry for Ugeli wey God go punish. Ugeli stress me. My father-in-law like 2 bags of yam. That man collect yam from my house, so I can't see the man like a yam that I am. That is it. I perform. Now, 2 celebrities and 1 Eco hotel. You don't do Eco hotel? You don't do Eco hotel? I swear, if you walk out and they perform, I go tell you the poor people drop his song, they will drop him home. They'll download the VM. Listen to me. Ugeli wey God go punish, they say you don't come to Ugeli to come and marry our daughter. We will not give our daughter out in marriage. Ugeli stress me. Going to Ugeli, one of my mottos of Samasote. The motto Samasote 8 times. Let me come down. Count down. 8 times to Ugeli, Samasote. You ain't there, my sister. Shut up, my joke, you see yes. The motto Samasote. Ugeli stress me. And Igbo people, listen to for Igbo, they say Igbo people are they follow tradition and culture. Once one marry their daughter, you must go east, true or false. And especially when the daughter be adopted, sit down. Do you hear me? Oh, now carry the listen to. Igbo people, Igbo people, Ada, you must go east, go marry Ada. And you know, say Igbo like to say culture, tradition, you must go to the east, watch the video. We follow our culture, we follow our tradition. When the video want marry, all the east enter bus, tradition sit down for front, culture they middle. Mazi lapo no, who na cheap is the drive. And you know, say Imade, Mama, they go from our life. Now, start to come from. Now, from start to come. Which means I wish east no come west. Please for go south. That's my leader. Now, believe me videos now. Hey, see your guy for Unibe. How's your comrade? Now, what about the only thing? How this guy join a kidney group? Kidney failure group. Now, what killer? Donate for SARS, your 100 level friend. Because of the materials now. Shut up, man, shut up. And so, all the video now, let's shoot. I don't take the video, they start to talk something. I don't hear what. I'll just they post shoot. I don't take it. I don't call clap once. For joke, I call deep breath. So I can't take deep breath. Make money, my sister. Support go tell you say I may not have money, I have big blockers. No matter them, blockers wey no get money na deal. But this is my friendship, very nice. So you can't lock me in your house. See breath. Yeah. Wow. You know the internet battle, you just see breath, they follow breath. Short boys like breath. Marando. You call me SMG. See my guy for there. That's SMG International all the way from Russia. Correct guy. You show up. You got my show now. You show up. Now listen to me. All those people where they go do this thing. Please, Joy. I don't call your name now. You dey make noise. Your name na Joy. That's why they pity some boys who go carry now. Now they call Joy. Then you get name na Joy. You go say if they send the girl for night, the girl no dey enjoy am. You don't get sense. The best time to send Joy na the morning because Joy comments. I don't use your name card joke. I don't use your name card joke. Listen to me, the best way to solve Nigeria problem, this life now pastor. See this guy graduate, you, wait one brother. When you hear mama say you see the light, man, you dey give people light. This guy so this guy wey one brother so Unilago. Nigeria go choose that thing for you. Unilago that guy for graduate with 2-1. This guy one brother. 2-1. Today the one brother with 2-1. No work for this country. This country is a bastard. Everybody in this country is suffering. That's why I cannot come out for any protest. When I see this protest, it's a man I no protest. I no join protest again. Papa, when you marry, you know they say sweet. Just like mama. My wife friends. They look for you, let's go to marry them. So that I know if they report me, give my wife, all of us go to smoke shisha. I don't join protest. Now when I single and I go protest, we no go gree yo, we no go gree. We no go gree yo, we no. Maybe I leave my wife. So I go UK, go to sleep with one black American with my 2 children. I don't fit I leave my wife. Women they get sense. Most of the men they don't leave women. I cannot die and leave my wife. Me and my wife we are going down the same time. As I anything she dey do now they do if you sleep I sleep, if you wake I wake, if you don't make up I don't make up. Anything go make her laugh. In fact I'm only drugs I take her. Women go then they stay long. They say dieting. Now this is the relative person. So now the same thing go the same time. Nobody dey leave anything for anybody. Nobody go use my body. Take all my money. Another man. Yes now. Because men don't say bro. They're talking about the cheat too. I know that women support the cheat. Because one of them, that's why I just tell me before. Tell me look yourself. What is this one for my body? Whoa. You know we need our body be like stick. When they give me a big start for me on for cheap price. Because I feel like they push on back. So nobody they create his past on my way they cheat. This guy, so I don't want to call him name. He have an MC comedian. I don't call him name. He they do MC for their company. Bro, people they cheat. Not many show you don't decide where they go. People they cheat too. This guy don't take creative, he cheat his hotel. He go tell you say they go Lagos, he go lunch for Benin. If you come out for hotel for Benin, he go buy bread, he go come out the bread label. He don't do design Lagos bread label. It sounds like casino, Abi. No wonder he's a game player. We can go see that. My man talk. Wow, there I go. No, I'm not going to take care from your hand. You are very funny, man. There's no way. My man, great Lamogo. Come make I get greetings. What is this? So, during this protest, I'm not just protest. Now, when I'm not just protest, I can't realize the best way. Congratulations, my friend. The best way to take control Nigeria. See, not be by protest to save Nigeria. Not be by fighting to save this Nigeria as a country. Now, see, you know when they find solution to a problem, you think from the right oracle of your heart to the left oracle. Then gives you an answer to it, right? That's what you see. I can't realize the best way to save our country as Nigeria. Make we beg side chief, make the beg people they carry them, make them carry them to our war. Now, side chief we need to talk to. Apart from Baba, who dey fit slap governor for head? Who dey fit slap governor for head? Side chief. Now, 2 things they make politicians beg in a year: election and election. Election. Forever standing. If you want to know whether casino they carry guests, ask Amaya. This is what I just thought, so let me be the joker.
Bro,
hey, Papa, don't give me standing ovation again.
When you come Lagos, when you know all this place, and why you know all this place?
Papa, I no go know this place. First you go dey tell you dey avoid by me.
You know say when MC that dey follow comedy.
Guys, when you leave me that after 2 minutes. They talk at 4 a.m. you go dey perform. No be human being o. Na spirit dey sit down na magician dey deliver. You say that for the talker. Person wey crack joke, he head no gree straight again. No be driver of the business, na joke full am. The Sunday joke. Na one for you. This Nigeria is a very dead country. In fact, you as a man, fear Nigeria, then fear woman. Even you wey woman dey your name, you need to fear woman. You wey dey behave like woman, still fear woman. You know that because of Bobrisky, Idris Oji. Now, Bobrisky don comot for jail, dey take pictures. Idris na ex-convict. Bro, this life is very dark, man. That's why when Nigeria go dey talk say Toto Dike, they always dey claim to be the father and mother of her child. She's always claiming to be the king and the queen. The king and queen, Toto Dike. As Toto Dike get the right to claim father and mother of the child, Toto Dike get the right to claim king and queen. Because her name alone go tell you say she get the right. Because she dey answer the two private parts of male and female. Toto. Of course, yes. So coming back to how to solve Nigeria problem. Side chick, don't carry men, especially governors. Just say you have to side chick, you carry governor. As the governor, you know say those men weak. You understand? Like very they can quick come, now they go when they get struggle. Because when they want to come, the one like they shake. So they flow from the veneries to the screws. What is the screws? When side chick you don't play with this old man finish play with the old man 70 years old man as you don't play with her finish as the man who stand not knowing that this is the quick program before he fall you know they start there as he stand as the man wan program for your body hold the brick tell say governor tie Oyo road that time you know say dem fit tie Oyo road in 2 minutes Oyo go dey busy. Best way. Now let me do this and I leave. If you have been to the city of Abuja in your life, Okodo.
Nobody concentrates.
You know say if you die, you know swear again.
As I
Concentrate, please. Leave your past. Amendment is your past. Focus on me, your future.
Yes, sir.
Please.
That's true.
That's human being they use small star mini-james. Tomorrow now they'll say, please contribute for Lamedes. 2 kidney failed. Like they originate policy. And another calling Ebukala. Not true self, no need, he never Lamedes. He will lament. Papa, if you go Abuja, now you dey go Abuja Lamede. If you go Abuja, you see the right all those Chinese people. All the time they do massage. No carry them, go carry black. All the time they be bastard. No only massage they do. The guy they call neuro massage. Now know that one. No, everybody know neuro massage. How are you? Neuro massage. Oh, you even correct me for fuck. That's in a body to body massage. Now you, how you know? That's the Nuru. That's it, don't blow. Because if you don't, you go blow. Bro, Abuja, I don't go do show for transport. I don't tire. All my body they pay me. I enter my hotel. Now I just see 2 Chinese girls picture like this. Then I Kuchi Prufu. That's what they say.
If you want massage, call us. See this one, you don't know where she dey go, you just dey follow with the last time. Stand up. See, they carry go, they want to kill you. So, where are you? Enter. Come back safe, you fool. Papa, if you go do that massage, now can they bring 2 around after 1 a.m. Now they say, okay, 2 will come.
Now the good time be that.
Now the good time be that. With your bad face. Now they say 2 will come. Now they bring 2 from Thailand. One they hear English, one not they hear English. As they see me, now they tell me say, Kochipum, Puchu. I say, what did you say? Say, you want to do massage? I say, yeah, me want to do massage. They say, Kuba. I say, Kuba. They say, go inside. Now I go inside. I can't come every time. I can't leave my boxer. Now they say, Kuyu. I say, Kuyu. He say, I say, Kuyu. He say, Bossa, Kuyu. I say, no, Kuyu protect Vuhu. Leave Vuhu in Kuyu. Because the one is for ritual. The one who know the English, they say, now I'm going down my Kuyu, now I'm first ground. Because I know the girl patient, my ear, now my ear, they go connect to here. Now the girl, I like that, my brother. Chinese guest. He asked me one question, Kiputu Chucho. I said, what did you say? Say, only massage? I said, only massage, not here again. No happy ending, only massage. I said, ooh. Now she pour here for my body. As he poured the oil, he gave 1 hand to carry for my back. He used the hand to pass my this. He come touch here. Now that I don't say, yeah. They connected to here. As he touched it, he gave it in your lock for this veneries. He unlocks veneries in between the head of the brain. He unlocks something for the veneries. As he unlocks the veneries, he are coming through to my baby. For massage, you know the worst part for massage. When they see me, you don't. Now you get them, say boo. As I say boo, say turn. As I turn, I lie down, I stand up. I can't give the guest standing ovation, but this time so I don't strong like this guy Mozo. My guy go to the gym. That question again. Only massage. Let me speak my language. If I say Ayomosi, tell Remuke